Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to remove watermarks off of custom heads. So the first thing you do is click on the color picker tool. There is also a shortcut where you can just click O on your keyboard and it will pop up. With the color picker tool, you want to select the color that is part of the head and not the watermark. With that color, you can use the pencil to draw on top of the surrounding watermarks. We pick the colors that are around the watermark to ensure that the colors that we are using are around the same area as where the watermarks are located. There's also a shortcut for the pencil, which is N on your keyboard. Now you just repeat the process of color picking and then drawing over the head, the watermark, until it's all gone. Since there are multiple heads that are facing the back, now you want to copy this head that you just finished editing and paste it on the other heads that are also facing the back. The original watermark might have went outside of the head area. You can just cut the original portion of the watermark off and then paste the head you copied at first again. For the dead side viewed head, you can just use the head above it. So first you copy the head and then paste it as a new image. You can do so by right clicking and then hovering over edit and then paste as and paste as new image. After you get your head as a new image, you want to save it to your device. You can do this by exporting it as a picture file or other files, but I recommend using PNG. Go to this website that I usually use for rotating pictures. Attach the file you just saved. Rotate it 90 degrees to the right. Click rotate and then copy image. Now go back to your GIMP or wherever you are editing and then paste it over the head at first. And now we're done editing all of the watermarks off of this file. Like and subscribe if you like these videos and if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you.